to put Apple gift card on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to put Apple gift card on Cash App. So first of all, just open your Cash App account, and after that all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just scroll down and click on support, and now scroll down again and click on cash card. And here in the related section you will see the option called gift card in Cash App, and scroll down, and since you want to accept a gift card in your Cash App account in order to put it and use it later on, so just click on accepting a gift card. And here it says when you will receive a gift card, you can sign up for free Cash App card to start using it instantly for in-store or online purchases, or you can convert the fund to cash instead. So in order to do so, you can open the pending gift card in your activity tab and tap on accept gift card and choose how to receive the fund and follow the prompts from the screen. So basically what you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen, and here just click on the card section from the bottom. You will see the card section right beside the banking section. Just click on it, and after that it says that get a free cash card. So in order to redeem your gift card, which is your Apple gift card or any other gift card that you will receive in your Cash App account, you need to have a cash card through which you will be able to put it and use it later on. So in order to get a card, you need to click on get a free cash card and just select the type of a card that you want to choose, either classic or metal. Metal card will have some amount of charge to it. You can choose the classic one and just click on order card. And once you place the order for your card, then your Cash App cash card will be showing on this particular page. As right now, as you can see that I don't have any Cash App cash card, but once you have that Cash App cash card in your Cash App card section, and the Apple gift card that you will receive in your Cash App account will also be showing right here. So as soon as you receive your Apple gift card, your card will be automatically transferred into your Cash App cash card, and through which you will be able to use it, whether to use it for online purposes or offline. That's how you will be able to redeem your Apple gift card in your Cash App account. So this is how simple it is to put your Apple gift card on Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.